I see this all the time in real life. There's a form of disordered eating that hides behind wellness, and most people miss it. It often looks like discipline, but feels like anxiety. It's called orthorexia. It's not about wanting to eat better, and it's not about choosing whole foods, and it's not about having structure. Orthorexia is when the pursuit of perfect eating starts to cost you your peace, your flexibility, and sometimes your health. Here are a few signs it might be creeping in. Food starts to take up a lot of mental space, even when you're not hungry. Eating outside your usual foods feels stressful instead of neutral. You replay meals in your head or you judge yourself afterwards. You avoid social situations because food feels complicated, and your sense of doing well or failing rises and falls with what you ate. Here's the key distinction: it's not the food rules themselves, it's how tightly they're gripping you. Orthorexia often hides behind health. I'm just being clean. I'm just disciplined. I'm just doing what's best for my body. But if food is ruining your thoughts, if one bite feels like failure, that's not metabolic health. That's a nervous system stuck in vigilance. This matters especially in structured approaches like low carb, keto, or carnivore, because structure can heal, but rigidity could harm. So, what do we do about it? First, notice the tone, not just the food. Does eating feel calm and confident or tense and monitored? Second, practice flexibility on purpose, not chaos, not abandoning structure. Just small moments where food doesn't get to be a moral decision. And third, remember the goal. Food is meant to support your life, your energy, and your health, not to shrink your world. If you're noticing some of these patterns in yourself, it's a signal, not a label. Food is a tool, not a test, not a moral scorecard, not your worth. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. This shows up in real life more than people realize. And if it resonated, save it. And if you know someone who's doing everything right but feels exhausted by it, share this with them because healing shouldn't feel like prison.